All right, I'm pretty excited. I just got this indoor herb garden, and I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up. I'm not sure what's in it exactly, but I'm looking forward to having my first ever indoor herb garden. Okay, let's see. It's super cute. There's some fluffy. Chip wants to know as well. Chip is inside the box. Aww, got a little thank you card. It's pretty nice. Okay, Chip. I gotta like see what's in the box. You wanna see what's in the box? Alright. Ooh, look at these cute little pots. Oh my gosh. I think these are, yeah, fertilizer pellets. Okay. So really cute little pots. Are we getting those in this? Yeah. About 5 of those. Oh my gosh. Got some fertilizer pellets. Everything's got a cute little sticker on it, I guess. Oh, I got the soil. Okay, that's nice because I don't have any soil. Oh my gosh. It's just kind of okay. Let's see. Oh, some bases for the pots. That's nice. Actually, I really love this. This is so cute. Seeds. Okay, let's see what kind of seeds I got. Chip, you want to smell all of it? Okay. You want to see what seeds we have? Okay. So I've got chive. I didn't know they flower like that. It's pretty cute. Basil. It's nice. Cilantro. Parsley, oregano, all the standards, everything I could ever want. Oh, some labels for each of them. Nice. Okay, what else do we got? I think these are instructions. Okay. Great. Making your soil. Okay. Awesome. I can't wait to get started on that. Chip, you like all of that? Huh? Oh my gosh.